hit the Windows key. Now type Server Manager and press the Enter key. After this, click the Manage button from the top right ribbon. Now you will see Remove Roles and Features options. Click this to run the console. After this, click the next option until the features window comes. Now select the features that you wanna remove. Now click Next button. In the confirmation window, click the Remove button. Now, wait a bit, it will take a bit of time to uninstall your features. After this, reboot your server to complete the removal process. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.